Hello and welcome to another update video about Google. Yeah, we are taking a look here at the daily chart first. We can see that a larger degree fourth wave bottomed in March 2020. Then from there we had a three-wave rally into the November 21 highs where the price topped around $152. Then a fourth wave corrective pullback into the October 22 lows, and since then we have basically started to move up in an ending diagonal. That's the ending diagonal in circle wave 5. I considered this an impulse before, but latest price action makes it more likely as a diagonal. If we then take a look at price action on the 4-hour chart here from the 2022 low, then you can see that we have completed a wave 1 as an ABC structure, which topped in February 2023 at $108. A wave 2 pullback into the February 23 lows, where the price bottomed at $88.50. Another wave 3, 4 pattern, and we are now likely in wave 5 of 5 of 5 of 5 of 3. So really large wave degree, and we are, I believe, very close to a top. Now let's take a look at the microstructure in this move from the October 2023 low, because this is the smallest degree wave 4 that we currently have here in this movement from the October 22 low. Actually, there's a smaller wave 4, but this would then get into micro counting. So I think now we need to do a deep dive into the structure that developed from the October 2023 low. Okay, so if we take a look really at this shorter time frame structure, then you can see why I consider this an ending diagonal, because this fifth wave, which started obviously here in October last year, is an ABC structure. It counts best as an ABC. We have an initial 3-wave rally as an A wave in yellow into the January highs of this year, where the price topped around $154. A correction, which was a B wave pullback, that's here indicated by the lowest red line. An absolute key level, if we break below that level here around 131, that's a good confirmation that we have a long-term top in place. But at the moment, the idea is that we are still in wave C of 5 of 5 to the upside. And you can see the microstructure here, that's not so meaningful. What is more meaningful are these previous swing lows. So as long as we're holding all these swing lows, further upside can happen. But I think we are very close to a top. It's now reached the 1.236 FIB extension already at $178. It could definitely still try to reach the next FIB at $184 or even $195. The first and earliest indication that a top is in, and I think we are very close to a top, is a break below that red line. Until we see that break, there is no indication of a top. That level is defined at around $169.50. You can also observe one of these ascending trend lines here. I mean, this ascending trend line, which is essentially the lower boundary line of a wedge pattern, as highlighted here in red. You know, these are critical trend lines. When we see a breakdown, okay, maybe you have a first warning that things are starting to break down, and then a break below that $169.50 level would be the first solid confirmation that a top has been struck. So this is the update about Google. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the Stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.